Let's go, motherfucker, bro.
So, welcome back na naman po sa ating channel, no? Ngayon, re-review natin Jong Madaliday. Dito review actually talagang fan ako ni Jong Madaliday, men. Talagang go Jong, talagang napakaraming proud kay Jong Madaliday. Napakaganda naman kasi talaga ng boss nitong taong to. Tapos nasa grand finals pa siya ng The Clash ngayon, no? Go Jong, talaga full support, men. Talagang the king Jong Madaliday. So, ang tagal niya bago nag-upload. So, eto, simulan na natin ang pagre-review.
Enjoying this video so far, go ahead and search Azar on YouTube for more of my Azar videos.
I can't speak English.
It's okay. Me too. I'm not so good in
Nakakatawa pag si Jong, no? Pagkaibang lahi, nakakatawa pag na si Jong kasi parang wala talaga sa mukha niya yung kumakanta, no? Tsaka, gitara siguro, oo. Pero yung kanta talaga, mahirap talaga makita sa mukha, eh.
Yes.
But why it says here South Korea?
VPN din.
Korea.
Doon nakatira.
You're in Korea now.
Yes.
Feelings staying in Korea for 3 years.
So, napaganda kausap ni Jong, no? Pagka gusto ng conversation nung kausap niya, bibigyan niya ng conversation, hindi lang siya basta-basta content, no? Hindi lang siya basta-basta punta ako online ako ng ganitong website, kanta ko, tapos siya nakikipag-usap siya. Yung maganda kay Jong, very humble, yun.
Play you a song. Can I sing? Okay. Okay,
Sing a
okay,
song.
okay, okay.
Sing a song first, Jong. Come on.
Ooh.
Wala pa, no? Wala pa. Type mo.
Don't say you're sorry. Don't say I'm yours.
Gulat siya, eh. Talagang pang The Voice, eh. Talagang unang word, pindot, ikot.
When I'm not the only one that you've fallen for. Don't say you love me, cause it just makes it worse. I'm losing my balance on the edge of your words. I'm making friends with the ceiling while you busy sleeping on the other side of someone's bed tonight. Hate that I miss you after all.
Kahit ako lalaki, kinikilig, eh, no? Ba't ganun, no? Ba't kaya ganun? Grabe, sobrang galing ni Jong.
All that you've done, I'll never forget how you forget about us. Forget about us.
Kilig siya, eh. Kilig siya kay Jong, eh.
Forget about us.
Sinipon siya. Sobrang galing ni Jong, makakasipon talaga, no?
Kamsahamnida.
Oh.
Yeah, I know some a little bit Korean. Oh, I hope I
Ba't naman
lose
ganyan
you.
yung
Please stay. I want you, need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay.
Grabe, no?
I
Taas ang
want you,
boss ni Jong.
I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
Tameme din siya, eh, no? Tameme siya, eh. Panis. Ang astig pa ng pormahan ni Jong, no? Mukha siyang hip-hop. Sa totoo lang. Hindi alam sasabihin niya.
Mag-isagala ba?
Nag-usap yung
Ciao.
kanina.
Ciao, you
No?
speak English?
Natameme na isa, hindi na sila nakapag-usap.
Si
Yes. Sorry.
Carol. Carol.
Si Carol.
Oh,
Si,
Karyo.
okay.
Huwag mo nang pilitin.
Dami yung grr. Dami yung grr.
Ongke?
Okay. dami yung grr.
Ongke?
Okay.
Automatic eh, no? Automatic eh. Ah, di niya kinantahan, sayang. Di sila nagkaintindihan.
Bed, thinking she's so good. Kicking back on your couch, making night from across the room. Wait, to think of being there too. Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said it, I was fine, said it from the coffin. Remember how I died when it started walking. That's my life, that's my life. I put up a fight, take it on my earrings. Don't you know the fight? Don't you know
I
the
know.
feeling? You just
See,
spend the
pati
night,
siya.
catch me on your ceiling. That's your price, that's your price.
Hindi niya pa ginawa yung reggae version niya dyan. Mas maganda yung reggae version niya.
Holy sh!
Hello.
Holy shit.
Hello.
Hindi
Do
na
you guys speak English?
Kinakat niya.
Yes.
Yes.
Uno. Uno.
J'ai déjà un peu, oui, j'ai déjà un peu. A little speak English.
Little.
Little.
Dami yung grr.
Okay. Okay.
Ongke?
Dami yung grr.
Pilipino yan.
Ongke?
Okay. Dami yung grr.
Pinoy. Ay, Thailand.
Yeah.
Anti-trip na lang siya, eh, no?
Where are
Pinoy.
you from?
Ah, silang Pinoy, mga Tagal.
In Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
One day in Thailand.
Sawadikap.
Sawadika.
Sawadikap.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Mabuhay.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Parang sila, nagpunta
Ni
Thailand,
hao
parang
ma
sila
chi
talagang
ho.
Pilipino.
Welcome Thailand. You
Oh.
welcome Thailand.
How old are you?
20.
Oh, 20.
How old are you?
25.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah,
Ang
very,
tagal
very
to.
grr. Low and
Oh,
low and
ayun.
they're up. Yeah, so I'll see you guys there. Enjoy Azar. Let's go. If you guys enjoyed my experience in Azar, go ahead.
So ayun no, medyo nabitin ako sa video ni Jong. Ang tagal mag-upload pero busy si Boss Jong eh. So tindi lang natin pero yun, grabe. Pag nakarinig ko talaga yung boses niya, iba talaga. Sobrang ganda ng boses ni Jong. Iba yung basta kakaiba. Saludo si Chairman sa'yo. Saludo si Chairman sa'yo. Another good reaction video na naman. Sana mayroon pang upload si Jong sa mga susunod na araw, no? Pero, yeah, we'll see. Panoorin lang natin sa The Clash. Supportahan natin si paring Jong. Peace out.
Let's go, motherfucker, bro.